She just can't seem to swallow off the phlegm. Or she has a polyp or something. What, baby? Psst, psst, psst. We're going to give you some meat. Come back. Give me a piece. Oh, she's leaving. Hi, baby. I got a little bit of meat for you. Come on, Crumbs. Come get your treats. Keep those other cats from stealing. Here, Crumbly. Crumbs. How's your breathing now? It was good, yummy roast beef. She says, is that all you got, Daddy? You're only getting crumbs. Okay, her breathing's not so bad now. Hi. Do you want to smell my fingers? It's got little roast beef smells on it.